Hey guys, welcome back to Ottoex, a channel here where we feature some wacky, unusual, and rare vehicles from all around the world. Today we're presenting a 1998 Toyota landcruiser Prado. These Prados were sold alongside their larger body variants as part of the landcruiser family. This one is an RZJ95, which means it is the four-door variant powered by Toyota's 2.7-liter inline four-cylinder gas engine, the 3RZ FE. This is the same engine that was used right here in North America in the Toyota 4Runners, the Tacomas, the T100s, and a few other different vehicles, and even more around the world. It is a timing chain driven, tried and true, reliable, simple, robust engine, which is fuss-free and is known to really go the distance. That makes sourcing parts and service on this truck here in North America really simple because it shares many of the same components as other vehicles that were sold here. It is also quite similar to a third generation 4Runner because those were sold with the same drivetrain as this. However, this being a landcruiser Prado is certainly different. It offers some nicer features. It is a proper third row vehicle, just like its older brother, the 80 series. These are great trucks, and this one is really exceptionally clean. We're gonna walk around the outside, the inside, and we'll take it on a drive in this video. So come along while we dig into this truck. You'll notice it's finished in its original metallic silver paint, which is in fantastic shape. It shines like new. Even the front brush guard, which was an OEM Plus option here, is in great shape. The grille, the hood, the original headlight housings, which are glass, so they're never going to fade or yellow on you. I love that. It's also got these familiar 16-inch Toyota alloy wheels that were sold as well on the third gen 4Runners as well as the T100s. They're a very timeless and nice wheel. I like them. They're tough and they fit the look of this truck really well. Right along below the rocker panels, you'll notice these factory aluminum running boards. These are great running boards. These are the same ones that, same style that they put on the 70 series and 80 series trucks. They are nice, tough aluminum. This truck is very much rust-free. I might as well point that out now while we're down here. But if you have a look at the frame rails, and I'll give you a peek underneath, a lot of folks like to ask. It is really rust-free. It only has about 60,000 original miles, so it is barely broken in, very much like new. We have a rear door mounted spare tire, also matching 16-inch wheel, and you've got your little badging here reminding you what this truck is. This is the TX trim, and we've got a Varva sticker, so the original owner of this was definitely a fisherman. Beautiful truck. This model does not have a sunroof, so it's a slick top. Give you a look up there. The roof paint is in great shape. Pop out quarter windows and full row down, middle and front row, with the Toyota OEM Plus extra long rain and wind visors, which are great, a really great addition. So while we're here, I'll give you guys a look under the hood before we look inside, because I'm sure you're curious to see what's happening under there. So let's pop that open. Quite a heavy hood here. All right, there it is, the venerable 3RZ FE engine. This is an inline 4 gas engine, 2.7 liters, fuel injected, really simple, robust, timing chain driven, so no timing belt to worry about. This one has been serviced really well. We've got all sorts of service stickers from Japan, and it has been maintained. It runs great. So there you have it, 3RZ FE. Let's take a look inside this truck now. Okay, along the driver's side, we'll take our peek in the driver's door here. We are met with this driver's door card, which screams 90s. It's got this really sweet 90s patterning fabric. You've got a soft touch armrest here, as well as your power window and lock controls. A nice big map pocket and a molded speaker. Great sound system in this truck. Looking inside, we've got the driver's seat, which again is in that matching fabric. We've got some light cascading in here through the trees, but this is in fantastic shape. Give you a look at all of that. Tilt, adjust, and so we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-way adjustable driver's seat. These floor mats are factory, and they've got a really cool pattern on them with all sorts of fun colors. Just stuff we don't see anymore with all these dull black one color interiors of modern vehicles. Right here we've got our power mirror switch with your full retract button. You can retract both mirrors in and out with that push of that button. 4-spoke steering wheel. I'm going to swing in here, give you guys a better view of some of these controls. 4-spoke urethane steering wheel is in great shape. Still has all the texturing on it. No rear wear. Horn, driver's side and passenger side airbags. We've got the cluster with your fuel, speedo, gear position indicator, tack, and coolant from left to right. 98,900 kilometers. That's about 60,000 miles or so original. We handpicked this truck while we were in Japan a few months ago, so you can be assured it is the best of the best. We are very picky with our stock. Give you a view of the central console here. You've got your standard J shift, which you 4Runner and Tacoma guys might be familiar with. Manually engage your high, low, 4 high. So this truck runs in high range, low range. You can engage that here with your transfer case lever. It has a lockable, releasable center differential, which you can engage with this as well. We've got your automatic lever here, as well as your button for overdrive on and off, and your second gear start and power modes for your automatic transmission. In front, we've got our HVAC controls. Set your temperature in Celsius, push your buttons, and forget it. Power mirror, really cool analog style clock. Hazards. Rear wiper, intermittent wipers, and your headlights. A really simple and reliable setup. We've got your center console here. Hidden cup holders, which fold down and magnet back up. Underneath, some storage. And back here, some additional cup holders for your rear middle row passengers. Glove box houses space for more things. This truck comes with all the original keys and books, as well as key fob entry. I will show you. So you have this when you can lock and unlock your doors from your remote. And this is the factory key. All right, parking brake, nice and firm. Everything works great. Let's give you guys a tour of the rear. First, I'll give you a look of the sun visors. These are in great shape. Your 4-wheel drive control instructions are there. And your headliner is really good too. Map lights. Okay. So let's take a look in the second row. This car makes a great package for a family. child protectors on the doors. Rear door cards, again, a soft touch pull and armrest. Power window switch. This door card is great. I will point out this truck does smell new inside. Again, floor mats in the rear. Everything is in great, like new shape. Rear mat pockets on the seat backs. Your middle row, which seats 3. Shoulder belts for 2. And a fold down armrest. Dome light up there. And then I'll give you guys a peek in the third row. Floor mats again. And shoulder belts 1 and 2 for your third row passengers. So you can seat 3 back here. This car can seat 8 in total, making it super versatile. These are great because they stow away and fold up against the side. I'll demonstrate that when I give you a view in the trunk. So let's take a look there. But I will point out there are some cup holders here, as well as a storage cubby on both sides. So let's take a look in the rear. There you have it. See if I can demonstrate the folding up of the third row. There is a lever here. You pull that up, and then I'm going to set the camera down and demonstrate if I can. 2 hands are needed. All right. So, as you can see, this goes up, and you're gonna take your latch, which cleverly stows in there. So in order to do this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this down. That then extends this to hook up there brilliantly. And that is how you stow them away. The other side will do the same, giving you a whole lot of trunk space if you don't need your third row passengers. It's the same method as any other Land Cruiser 80 series or 100 series. And this comes included with these covers for these hooks here. Those go like that. So you have a smoother cargo area with the seats stowed away. Again, these have shoulder belts, and these windows vent out, so you pull that and push, lock that in, and then essentially you've got a little vent here, which is good to have for all those fun purposes, camping, some air for the kids. We've got a map pocket here, another pocket there. All right, so that's kind of the gist of this rig. I think it's time we take it for a test drive. So if you will come with me, we've got the key here. Let's go take it for a spin. Buckle up. That would be this aftermarket sat nav unit talking to me. Believes I'm still in Japan. Wish I were. Okay, Parking brake off and into gear. The backlight D light is out, pointing out. It's a pretty common issue, pretty easy fix. We haven't addressed that, just disclosing. All right, if we go, steering is light. The car feels rugged and tough without feeling heavy or cumbersome. The power is there, as it should be. It doesn't feel underpowered. It can get up the hills, it can get down the road. It can maintain US highway speeds, which is important. And since it's only a 2.7 liter 4, it's gonna get about as good fuel economy as you're gonna get in a truck like this. I would estimate anywhere from 18 to 22 miles per gallon, just depending on how and where you drive it. Power is smooth, steering is on point, nothing feels out of whack. It's a comfortable, quiet driving position. The brakes are great, they don't pull or pulsate. There's no clunking or rattling even down this not so perfect road. And it's a pretty windy day, but this feels planted and solid even as I go about 55. Heat and AC blow cold and work well, front and rear. Trucks make great alternatives to 3rd Gen 4Runners or Land Cruisers. If you want something that can seat 8 and do everything, it's really the perfect rig. Service and parts are a breeze since it's the 3RZ engine, which is widely available and sold here. It is really a great package. Finding one in this condition isn't easy, but that's what we specialize in. And that's what we do here at Ottoex. So if you like this truck or something like it, check us out at ottoex.com, OTTOEX.com, where we have our inventory listed, current and coming soon available. We always have more vehicles in the pipeline. If you like this one, reach out. It might still be available. If it's sold, we'll probably have something else that might meet your fancy. But please, if you enjoyed the video and you're into cars or you just stumbled upon us, give us a like or hit the subscribe button. We have way more cool cars down the pipeline, down the road to show you, present, and perhaps even offer for sale. So if you guys enjoyed this video, stick along for more to come. We really enjoyed having you. We love making these videos, and thanks for your support and for your eyes. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.